Welcome back to Channel 1. I'm back on the '07 Ford Focus. Today I'm going to be replacing the power steering reservoir. Back when this got into a small accident, if you remember right, when I had to replace the nose and the intake, the reservoir had a small crack in it, and I had patched it with some JB Weld, but it's just gotten worse. So I went ahead and ordered a brand new one online, and I'll put a link down below where I purchased that. It looks pretty much straightforward. I have not done one of these. I've got a 10mm bolt here and one down here. I've got a clamp down here for the low pressure side on the reservoir. I'm assuming that when I pull that clamp off, I'm probably going to get some leakage there, so I'll have to kind of keep an eye on that. It looks like I'm just going to pull that off and put the new one in, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is going to remove this little clip right here that holds this wiring harness here. I'm going to pull that out, get rid of that. I'll put that off to the side. And I'm going to hold off on this clamp down here. I think I'll do that last. I'm just not sure what I'm going to get for fluid to come out of there. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put a rag down there, just in case this starts leaking all over the place. I'm going to try to do the best I can for that not to happen. There is, however, a small plug on here that I think I'll take off, and maybe I can put it right back on that one. So let's have that kind of ready. I'll set that right there. Let's go ahead and get our 10mm socket. Now that plug I just saved is not going to do me a whole lot of good because it's pretty much leaked all over the place. All right, there's the old one. All right, I got to take this out apparently. Just realizing that now. So this is going to come out. Like I said, I've not done one of these. There we go. All right, so that's going to come out because the new one has one already in it. All right, let's try this again. Oh yeah, pops right in just like that. Pretty straightforward. Came with a new cap, but I think I'm just going to use the old one, use the factory cap. Just it seems to look nicer, it goes with the car. Just like that. Now I don't want to hear about that I'm using this cheap power steering fluid from Walmart. This is what we're using. Okay, well there it is. I overfilled it a little bit, but that's okay. Just kind of clean it up a little bit and she'll be fine. Pretty straightforward. All you need is a 10mm socket to do this job and a pair of pliers, and it's pretty straightforward. Well, that's how you replace the reservoir. Well, that's how I do it anyways, on a 2007 Ford Focus, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.